So I started in my hometown, flew to Hyderabad, and from Hyderabad I started to Dubai, landed in Dubai, and the immigration process was real quick.
There's a little room tour. This is the hotel called LEVA Hotel. It's right next to Burj Khalifa, and it's approximately like 800 meters from the Dubai Mall. And this is where it's kind of messy at the moment. And this is my neat little room. They have a locker, they have television, and of course they have me. This is me, and your study table in case you need it. And they do have a mini kitchen in case you want to use it. So you can prepare your coffee, you can prepare anything that you want in here. And they also have an oven, which is really neat. And this is the washroom. Hi again. This is the bathtub. They have a neat little shower as well. So this is my Indian adapter. As you can see, it won't plug into the wall, right? Because this is again UAE system. I think it's following the American or European standard. So I asked the hotel staff for an adapter and they gave me this universal adapter, which is really sweet. And it works pretty much with all your adapters. In case you have something like this, you can just plug into this device and then you can plug it into the wall. Let me show you. So you can just plug this, and now you can plug this whole thing into the wall, and that will just charge your phone. I think I'm doing it wrong, and just like that, it's charging my phone. So that's how you can get travel adapter just by asking your hotel staff. Travel pro tip 1. Thumbs up.
So this is the common corridor where you can sit, chill out, and look at the hotel in detail, right? All of these are rooms, and you can see the whole vibe in this hotel. It's kind of chill and relaxed, and that's the way I like it. And that is the way to my room, right? Really nice hotel. Now this is the area where you have your breakfast and dinner. They have a cafe and also a restaurant attached to it, so you can order anything from here. Also, you can check that there are hand sanitizers across this cute little place attached to the hotel itself, and I just like it. I like the whole vibe of this place. Really neat, really cool. So I ordered hot chocolate and I'm going to taste it and give you a brief review of this. Let's see how it's gonna taste. It actually tastes good. I like it. Thumbs up for this cool hot chocolate. Also, I ordered this vegetable salad in here. I finished my hot chocolate and I'm gonna take this now. And that is Burj Khalifa, that is Sofitel Hotel, and those are Emaar Towers that you can see over there. And this is the whole downtown vibe right next to my hotel, and that is the way to my hotel, as you can see. As I walk to the Dubai Mall, there's a Tesla store on the way, and you can see that in here. It's really cool to find Tesla, and that is the subway which takes me to the Dubai Mall. I'm just walking right now. You can see the Tesla cars. It's really awesome to see all the cars being displayed as you walk to the Dubai Mall. This is the entrance to the Dubai Mall. In the Dubai Mall, this is the Apple Store. I'm actually recording on an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can see the beautiful Apple Store. It has the views of Dubai Fountain and Burj Khalifa, and this place is truly beautiful in my opinion. What do you say? And this is the ice skating ring or whatever. And there's a big advertisement board over here. And as I walk through, I go to the Burj Khalifa. It's right next to the Dubai Mall. It's very close. I'm done for the day. This is a coffee shop again. I'm walking back to my hotel, and that is the way to my hotel. Goodbye and see you in the next one.